Hi on. In this video, I'm going to share you guys a tutorial to track mask in DaVinci Fusion. On your Fusion composition, first add the tracker node and do the tracking. After that, add a brightness contrast node to the media in node. You can directly connect it to media in node or connect it after the tracker node. If you are connecting it directly to media in node, then make sure that the tracker node is not connected to anything else. After that, on your brightness contrast node, enable alpha channel and reduce the gain to 0. Then add the mask. Then from the inspector, on the center attribute of the mask, right click, choose connect to tracker 1 offset position. After this, connect the mask to the brightness contrast node and do the masking. And if you want to change the position of the mask, you can do it very easily by going to the tracker node and changing the offset value. And if you are wondering why we are not adding the mask directly to media in node, it is because after connecting the tracker data to mask, we can't add the mask to media in because it will create a loop, so it can't function properly. So we can't connect it like that. So we need to connect this mask to another node and brightness contrast node to fit this role perfectly. So that's why we are using the brightness contrast node to do the masking. So that's all about this simple tutorial, guys. I hope you guys find this video useful. If you do so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.